A guide you to delete YouTube channel permanently in your mobile. So firstly, get out of your YouTube and go to the Chrome or otherwise any of the web browser that you're comfortable with and search for youtube.com there, and you need to tap on YouTube. Let's say there you need to go to the YouTube studio or otherwise, then you need to tap on continue to studio. After tapping over there, you need to tap on three dots, and from there you need to ask for the desktop site. Now it will give you the desktop site version. So from there, this is the desktop site version. Now let's say if you need to delete your channel permanently, all you need to do is that you can zoom in like this to find the settings option here, and you could see the settings here. Tap on that and it will take you to the page where you could have list of options of the settings. There you need to tap on channel and scroll like this to find advanced settings beside basic info. Now in that, you need to scroll all the way down to find manage YouTube account. So let's tap on that. From there, it will give you the access of your YouTube account. There you need to zoom in like this to find channel status and features. Tap on that, and tapping on that, it will show you the page. You need to tap on view advanced settings here. And from here, you could see user ID, channel ID, default channel, moving your channel, even the deleting channel option also. Now, deleting your YouTube channel won't close your Google account. Let's say if you need to delete your YouTube channel permanently, you can tap on delete channel here. And from there, you need to go for the confirmation by entering your password and tap on next. And that is how you could delete YouTube channel permanently. Thank you.